Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon to everyone. My name is Nusujan Tithi, ID 2421554. Today, we are going to present our DBMS project, which is CampusFix. CampusFix is a web-based system made with PHP and MySQL. It is designed to make campus problem reporting simple, fast, and well organized. Before we begin, let me introduce our team. My teammates are Mashfikur Rahman, Pranay Proshun Mitro, Lavanya Vishwas, and Sami Akhtar. In this presentation, we will explain the main problem, our project objectives, system features, user roles, workflows, ER diagram, gap analysis, tools and technologies, work distribution, and conclusion. Each member will present a different part of the project Campus Fix. Well, it is a single platform for reporting and managing campus problems. For example, a student can report a broken fan, internet problem, water issue, or any maintenance complaint. After reporting, the student can also track current status of the issue. The system can detect similar complaints, so repeated reports can be reduced. CampusFix has three main users: students, admins, and staff. Students report problems, admin review and assign them, and staff work on the issue and update the progress. It also includes a complete lost and found service where items can be posted, approved, claimed, and returned. Overall, Campus Fix makes campus issue management easier, faster, and more transparent. Now, I would like to hand over the presentation to Mashfiqur Rahman.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Mashfiqur Rahman. My ID is 242-15532. Today, I'm going to start my presentation by addressing an issue which we students face all the time in our campus while reporting a problem. In the current campus process, students report problems through verbal complaints, paper forms, messages, or manually visiting the office. Because these reports are handled separately, there is no single place to monitor them properly. Students also cannot easily know whether an issue has been reviewed, assigned, or resolved. The same problem may be reported more than once, creating duplicate records and extra administrative work. Delayed issues may also remain unnoticed because there is no structure tracking or escalation system. The lost and found process is also lengthy and mostly manual. Students must visit the department, wait, fill out forms, and remain uncertain until they are contacted. These problems motivated us to develop CampusFix. Our goal is to create one centralized platform that makes issue reporting easier and more accessible for students. It will reduce duplicate complaints, provide clear status updates, and improve communication between students and campus authorities, and highlight overdue issues so that they receive proper administrative attention. CampusFix will also digitize lost and found activities, allowing students to submit item details online and support verified claim handling. It will also maintain an organized and searchable records and provide useful administrative analytics for better monitoring and decision making. Overall, CampusFix aims to make campus services faster, more transparent, efficient, and dependable. To explore the other aspects of our today's presentation, I'll hand this presentation over to my teammates here who will walk us through the remaining discussion. Thank you.
Hello everyone, now I will explain the main feature and workflow of CampusFix. Our project has three user roles: admin, student, and staff. Student can report problems with a title, category, location, priority, description, and image. They can also track, add comment, and use the lost and found module. A key feature of our system is to detect duplicate issues. Before creating a new complaint, the system checks whether a similar complaint or issue is currently active in the same category or location. If a match is found, student can confirm existing issue instead of submitting a new one. The confirmation count helps admin to identify issues affecting many students. The workflow begins when a student submits an issue, the admin reviews it and assigns a valid report to the appropriate staff member. The staff member starts the work, add progress note, and mark the issue as resolved with a resolution note. The student can view every update on the way. Invalid or repeated reports can also be rejected with a comment or a reason. CampusFix also includes a lost and found service. Student can post lost and found items, but each post requires admin approval before it becomes visible. A student can submit a claim with identifying details, and after a while and the verification is complete, the admin can approve claim or mark the issue as returned. This completes the overview of our system feature and workflow. Now our next speaker will present the ER diagram, gap analysis, and tools and technologies. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Lavanya বিশ্বাস, my ID is 242-15352. Now I will present the ER diagram, gap analysis and tools and technologies of CampusFix. This slide shows the complete ER diagram of our system. It presents the main entities, keys, attributes and relationship. The database has also been normalized to keep the data organized and efficient. Now moving to the gap analysis. The current campus process has some common problems. Complaints may be given in different places, so they are difficult to manage. The same issue may be reported many times, and students may not receive clear updates. CampusFix solve these problems by keeping everything in one system. Students can report and track issues easily. The system also supports duplicate confirmation, delay alerts, searchable lost and found posts, and admin reviewed claims. Finally, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript will be used for the core frontend. PHP sessions and password hashing will support backend operations and security. MySQL and PHP will manage database. XAMPP and Apache will provide the development environment. VS Code will be used for coding, GitHub for collaboration, and Draw.io for database modeling. That's all about myself. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Samia Akhtar, ID 2421532. Today I will explain the work distributions of our project. Our project was completed by 5 team members and each members had different responsibilities, such as members 1 worked on database design, normalization and ER diagram. Member 2 developed the registrations, logging and rule-based access systems. Member 3 worked on the students module, issues reporting, tracking, and duplicate confirmation. Member 4 developed the admin and staff module, including assignments, status logs, and analytics. My responsibilities was the lost and found module, claim verification, search and filter features, testing and documentation. Finally, I would like to conclude our presentation. Our project helped keep campus issues records organized, allows users to track their reports, reduce duplicate submissions, identifies delay issues and more quickly, and make lost and found claims suffer. It also supports better administration, discussion making, and shows the practical use of DBMS concept. As shown in the diagram, the system follows 4 steps: report, track, resolve, and recover. This workflow makes CampusFix efficient, transparent, and user friendly. Thank you for your attention. Assalamu alaikum.